हेलो नमस्कार। खुश रहो बच्चों। आई एम जेवीएन डॉक्टर शाहनवाज आलम, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर ऑफ ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर। टुडे वी डिस्कस अबाउट मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट concept of Indian economy. Today topic most important topic of money banking and public finance. Today topic is taxation. Taxation is a terms of when the taxing the authority, usually a government, levied or imposes a tax. The terms of taxation apply to all types of involuntary levies, from income to capital gains to estate taxes. So taxation can be a noun or a verb. It is usually referred to an act. The resulting revenue is usually called taxes. Taxation is differentiated from other form of payment, such as a market exchange, in that taxation does not require cons- consent and it is not directly tied to any services rendered. The government compels taxation through implicit or explicit threat of force. Taxation is largely or legally different than extortion or protection racket because the imposing institution is a government, not private actors. A system have varied considerable across jurisdictions and times. It most modern system taxation occurs on both physical assets, such as property, specific events, such as sales transactions. The formation of taxes policy is, is one of the most critical and contentious issue in the modern politics. The most basic function of taxation is to fund government expenditure, wherein justification and expenditure for taxes has been offered through the history. Early taxes were used to support ruling classes, raise armies, and build defense. Often, the authority to tax stemmed from the drive and supranational rights. Later, just justification has been offered across the utilitarian economic or moral considerations. Correspond a progressive level of taxation of high income earners argue that taxes encourage a more equitable society. Higher taxes on a specific product and services such as tobacco, gasoline has been justify a deterrent on consumption. Advocate on public goods thereby argue taxes may be necessary in inst- instances in which the private provision of public goods is considered suboptimal, such with national defense. The taxation system in India is such that the taxes are levied by the central government and state government. Some minor taxes are also levied by the local authority, such as municipality and local government. O- Over the last few years, central and many state governments have undertaken various policy reform and process simplification toward the great predictability, fairness, and automation. This has consequently led to India metric rise to top 100 in the world's ease of doing business ranking in 2018. The Good and Services Tax reform is one such reform to e- ease of complex multiple indirect tax regime in India. Different types of taxation. Income tax. Government impose the income tax on financial income generated by the all entities within their jurisdictions, including individual and businessmen. Corporate tax. This type of tax is imposed on the profit of the business. Capital gain. A tax on capital gain is imposed on any capital gain or profit made by the made by people or business from a sale a certain asset including the stock and board or legal estate. Property tax. A property tax is assessed by local government and paid for by the owner of the property. This tax is calculated based on the property and land value. Inheritance. A type of tax levied on individual to inherit the estate of disease. Sales tax, a consumption imposed by the government on the sales of goods and services. This can take from the value of added tax, VAT, a good and services tax, GST, a state uh, provisional sales tax on ESS tax, etc. In next chapter, we will discuss about the tax incidents. Thank you.